On Monday there is going to be Tiatra competition, Konkani Tiatra, beginning on Monday. Now, nobody will deny that Tiatras are one of the strongest pillars to keep the Konkani language flying high. It not only keeps the Konkani language, it also keeps the Goan culture and the traditions which have been for centuries. And it was with this in mind that successive governments had started this Tiatra competition, thereby giving opportunity to amateur artists, as in particular from rural villages, to showcase their talents. Now this year they have already started. A group is going to start on Monday. B group draws are lots are already brought out the serial. But they were informed that this year the B group competition will be organized in Vasco. Now Vasco does not draw a good number of audience, even for professional Tiatras. So therefore the amateur, it will be very difficult to get a crowd, and in such a situation it will be a discouragement for the budding amateur artist coming from rural villages.